Fiji's highlands beckon with their untamed beauty. In Sigatoka National Park, the sand dunes rise like silent sentinels, guarding history and offering hikers a glimpse into a desert-like landscape. Trekking here is a journey through time, where the whispers of the past meet the roar of the ocean. But the adventure doesn't stop at the dunes. The lush forests of Fiji's interior hide cascading waterfalls, inviting the intrepid to discover their secrets. And for those drawn to the sea, the Vatu-i-Ra Conservation Park awaits, a marine sanctuary where conservation meets exploration. Fiji's soul lies in its culture. Learn Italki culinary skills in a local kitchen, where the aroma of traditional dishes tells stories of the land. Join a kava root ceremony, where every sip is a step closer to understanding the Fijian spirit of community. And delve into the world of indigenous plant medicine, where nature's bounty heals and harmonizes. These experiences stitch the fabric of Fijian heritage, offering a tapestry of memories for the traveler. Beyond the highlands, the Yasawa group of islands beckons with its rugged hills and tranquil lagoons. Here, island hopping is not just a pastime, it's a passage through diverse landscapes and cultures. At Moon Reef, witness the ballet of spinner dolphins, a marine dance that captivates and educates. And in the depths of Bega Lagoon, scuba diving is not merely a sport, but a plunge into an underwater odyssey, where every bubble tells a story of conservation and wonder. Fiji's urban landscapes offer a different kind of adventure. Nadi's markets bustle with life, Suva's nightlife pulses with energy, and Levuka whispers tales of history. Each city is a chapter in Fiji's story, inviting you to read, explore, and create your own narrative. Whether it's the adrenaline of shark diving or the serenity of a sunset, Fiji's cities complement its natural splendor, offering a complete portrait of this island nation. Before you set foot on Fiji's trails, remember these tips. Pack smart, respect the environment, and immerse yourself in local customs. Accommodation ranges from rustic to luxurious, but the true luxury lies in the experience. Conservation efforts are key to preserving Fiji's beauty, so support them. And always seek local advice. It's the compass that guides you to the heart of your Fijian adventure. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.